You're telling me that this for $50? Girl, count me in. Sensational Wig Latisha in the shade Flamboyage Sand. Let's do an install, shall we? This is what I have right now. It has two combs in front, one comb at the back, and two elastic straps. I prefer to install my wig as a wear and go. Because it's the first install, I'll do everything I have to do, maybe lay it down with some sprays. And I've gotten so many compliments with different wigs that I've worn that it looks like my natural hair in terms of what the root looks like. And you see what I mean. What I simply do is to mix my foundation and rubbing alcohol. So you don't have to use this, you can use just your foundation or just your powder foundation. So I let it air dry and I tapped off the excess with a paper towel. Now I'm going to put it on so that you guys can see what it looks like on me. I'm done cutting the lace. I had to do it off camera, if not I would do rubbish. I feel like the lace is too brown. I am just going to leave it like that. However, I am going to use this spray to lay it down. I don't have a hand dryer. I actually need to buy a hand dryer. While I'm waiting for this to dry down, I want to make puff puff. I have done the batter, so it's time for me to fry it. I've had so much puff puff. I'm so happy I was able to satisfy my craving. I'm going to take this off right now. So this is what I have. I need to clean it up a bit, especially this area here. It's a little flaky. Let me clean it up. I'm gonna do my makeup. So now I'm done with my makeup and I want to take off the hairband. Oh, freedom at last. Woo. There may be a bit of color difference, but I can match it. Not a lot of color difference. I just need to use my beauty blender to fix it. I'm just going to use that to tap, 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 tap. I want to believe this looks straight. Sort of. So now I think here is higher than here. So I need to bring out my hot comb. Now I feel like it is super fine. I'm also going to do the same thing here. So they both have that shine. If you're wondering, I'm using this on 180. Good thing about this hair is that it has a very long middle part. I appreciate that so much. I don't know if the pattern is perfect, but I'll go in with this comb and try to comb out my hair. The back is already tangling, but I think it's because I haven't brushed it. See? Well, there was no way I was going to detangle this knot. Layered to perfection. Combing this hair is a vibe. This is something you enjoy for a couple of days. And if you keep brushing as you work, especially the back, I think that's the only part you would notice tangling as it goes, because when you sweat or with the heat, the back tangles. But aside from that, if you keep trimming and combing the back, this will last you for a long time. I have all my Latishas somewhere. This looks super good on me. If you are my skin tone or even deeper, this will look banging on you. That's pretty much it for this hair install. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching and happy new year once again.